I want to show you how Seneca solves perhaps the most critical issue that is holding AI back from delivering hyper-personalized results. I'm going to do it using a demo of a AI healthcare application built on Seneca. Digital medicine is a $185 billion market just in the US alone. But if you look at tools and websites and applications like Healthline or WebMD, they just give you very generic, non-personalized, ad-driven results because they know nothing about the user. Um, I can come in here and I can give symptoms, but I'm going to get a blog article. That's basically it. And AI has the potential to change all of this. The problem is that AI models suck up and capture data, making the idea of sharing sensitive information with a healthcare application to get personalized results is dangerous. And in some countries, it could even be illegal due to regulations. So this is why companies like Samsung and Apple have prohibited employee interaction with tools like ChatGPT. If this problem isn't solved, AI healthcare will end up being an incremental change, not a revolutionary change. So instead of getting personalized WebMD that knows you, you're basically just going to get a slightly cooler WebMD that you can chat with, but still the same kind of generic content that you see here. So I'm going to show you how all this changes on Seneca. This is a healthcare app that's built on Seneca, which means it can run AI and provide hyper-personalized results based on everything: age, medical records, prescriptions, sexual history, whatever information that is relevant to determining your health. And with Seneca's zero-knowledge environment, both the healthcare app's proprietary IP and the user-sensitive data is never shared or out of control of the data. So let's take a look. I'm going to interact. I'm going to type in some symptoms. It has my medical records. I have a headache, dizziness, and loss of balance. All right. So it's looking at my medical records. It has my history, and it says, based on your symptoms, it gives me a diagnosis that I could have an inner ear infection. All right. But even better, if you look right here, it says it would be helpful if it had my prescriptions. All right. Can you please share? It's cut off. Okay. Now, look at this. I have shared nothing. I have not given over any data, but I have allowed my prescription information to interact with the healthcare apps, proprietary algorithms, and it comes back with a completely different diagnosis. It recognizes that I've just increased one of my prescriptions, and more than likely, that prescription is associated with my symptoms. So it's telling me that I should talk to my doctor about perhaps changing to a non immediate release and changing to an extended release. So if you look at this and you think about WebMD, you think about even going to the doctor, this application has more information about me than my doctor does. And it certainly has 100x, 1000x better perspective than a WebMD and a Healthline. So, the question is, why would anyone use WebMD or Healthline or any other application when they can use AI built on Seneca and get not just a better answer, but the right answer, right? And that's what we're going for, having the absolute best, most certain, personalized answer that we can get out of AI. And it's only possible with Seneca.